The JTD Digital SPDIF and TosLink optical audio splitter is the perfect tool for sending your digital audio signal to multiple speakers or sound systems simultaneously. The audio splitter features 3 TosLink output ports, allowing you to seamlessly incorporate 3 different output devices into your existing setup, all with no signal loss or latency. For example, if you have a TV that doesn't support Bluetooth, but you would like to have your audio coming from a soundbar while also coming from your wireless headphones, you can now connect the audio splitter to your TV and split the audio signal so that one signal goes towards your soundbar while the other goes towards your Bluetooth transmitter for your wireless headphones. The splitter can also be used with surround sound systems with formats such as Dolby Digital and DTS, as well as PCM Stereo. Additionally, this purchase comes with free lifetime technical support and a 1-year manufacturer warranty. You can find this product by going to our website at jtddigital.com and searching for the product name or the model number JTD-SP0103 in the search bar.